Hello, guys. Okay, you're welcome. Let us have a continuation of our previous class. Today, we want to solve inequalities involving two variables, x and y. Okay, so when we have x and y, how do we relate them together? So, looking on the board, we have that they say draw the graph of the value that satisfies the inequalities. X minus y is less than 2, and x plus 2x plus y is greater than 4. Solution to this, we have the first equation is x minus y is less than 2. When x minus y is less than 2, first you make x subject of formula. X will be less than 2 plus y. Okay. Now you can decide at y equals to 0. What will be x? X will be equals to 2, which means when x is 2, comma, y is what? 0. So we take this point. Take note on this. Then let's make y subject of formula now. It means from equation 1 minus y. Okay. By making this subject of formula will be less than 2 minus x. Okay. Now, please don't leave this like this. It is dangerous. If you leave it this way, it will negate our answer. So instead, divide both sides by the coefficient, which is negative 1. So our y will be, when you divide both sides, we have less than minus. Now we have minus y is less than 2 minus x. Can we say over minus 1, then over minus 1? When this minus cancel this minus, y, haven't divided both sides by negative, please, this will turn to what? Positive, so sorry, to greater sign. Then this become minus open bracket 2 minus x. Okay? Then if you divide both sides, if you open the bracket, it becomes y is greater than, this times is minus 2 plus x. Okay? 2 minus times 2 minus 2 minus times minus plus. Okay. So at x equal to 0, what will happen? Y will be greater than minus 2. Therefore, the point now is x is 0, then our y is what? Negative 2. Okay. Now, let's check the second equation. The second equation here is 2x plus y is greater than 4. So what do we do? Making 2x subject of formula, we have that 2x plus, okay, 2x will be greater than 4 minus y. Make x subject of formula, we divide both sides by 2. X will be greater than 4 minus y over 2. So at y equals to 0, so x will be greater than 4 over 2 because y has gone. So it will be equal to what? 2. Therefore, at y equals to 0, x is equals to 2. So let's make y subject of formula now. Okay. Making y subject of formula, what do we do? Y will be greater than 4 minus 2x. So at x equals to 0, what will happen? 2 will go. So our y will be equals to 4. So what will be the point? The point here now will be that x is 2. When x is 2, y is what? 0. Okay. The next one, yeah. The next one, at x 0, y is 4. So when x is 0, y is 4. Good. Can we now represent it on the number line? This is y, this is x. This is what? Minus x, and this is minus y. So let's get the first point. The first point is x is 2, y is 0. X is 2, y is 0. This is 2, y is 0. X is 0, y is minus 2. This is minus 2, minus 2. X is 0, y is minus 2, which means these are points. So, what is the sign? Less than sign. So, we use a dot line to join them. So, because it is less than, we can possibly shade this part, the down part. Okay, now let's come here. When x is 2, y is 0. When x is 2, y is 0. It seems we have similar points. Okay, we've plotted here. When x is 2, y is 0. Okay. Here, when x is 2, y is 0. When x is 2, y is 0. And y x is 0, y is 4. Okay. This is, let me say this is 4. Okay. This is our 2. And this is 4. So what do we have? Strictly greater than. So we use a dot line also to come down. But check very well. It is greater than. Since it is greater than, where do we shade? We will shade from here. So then the first one becomes x minus y is less than 2. While the second one line becomes what? 2x plus y is greater than 4. Okay. Please, this is a simple solution, a solution to this very, very question. I hope it is crystal clear to you now. In case if you don't get anything, please, if there is something you are not getting, ask your question. And do well to share and subscribe to this channel so that it can reach a wider view. Thank you and have a very good time.